investment is still the major driver of China. More or less 50% of GDP is coming from investment growth. The other drivers of growth, of course, is consumption and exports, but investment, especially government, state-led investment, still very much dominates China's growth. Of course, a lot of this is catch-up growth. We have calculated that given that tier 3 provinces in China, so they're the smaller provinces, can grow towards the per capita income levels of tier 1 cities such as Beijing, Shanghai, Tianjin, we can see at least 7% growth in China for at least 5 more years, and even more if tier 3 economies are able to reach the per capita incomes of tier 1 cities. First of all, China faces many social problems, and the recent financial crisis has highlighted a lot of these. For example, the unemployment situation. Of course, the official unemployment data does not capture migrant workers. So really getting these migrant workers to be included in China's growth and transformation into a much more market-led, consumption-led economy is very important. The other problem facing China, of course, is environmental. China is, of course, addressing some of these issues. Certainly from the new 12th five-year plan, we can see a lot of emphasis is now put on green growth, really addressing environmental issues. Now, finally, a very major problem facing China, which probably needs addressing really soon, is reform in terms of constitutional reform. Having the right rules of law will benefit China in the longer term. And without this, I really don't think that China will sustain its current pace of growth for much longer than 10 years or so.